So babe, where are we?
In a glacier in America. Sorry, Canada.
Let's see. Here we are, walking in the glacier area.
You know why it's famous sticks here?
Why?
Because of the ice.
Oh, nice.
Hello.
Hi. Yay, on adventure. Jude's been wanting to go hike up to a glacier for so long.
Every time we tried, Alaska and Seattle, so on.
Other parts of Canada is close. We found
I was not able to do two. Oh yeah, we tried in Canada too.
Yeah.
The other part of it, in Vancouver, British Columbia. But now we can. It's a big hike, but
It'll be worth it.
we are trained for that.
Yes.
Except for the freezing weather.
Yeah, except for the wind and cold, but we'll be fine.
It's not cold, but it's just windy. And the wind comes
Right.
through the ice, so you feel it's cold.
Right, and actually it's 73 degrees hot outside.
But it's freezing.
Yeah, and the wind is carrying all the cold from the ice. So that's why it's confusing. But also today it was supposed to be like raining and like 90% and thunder and lightning and then whoop, and then nothing, remember?
Yeah.
I slipped on a rock.
Alright, so I'll see you guys up there.
You're close. We're close. I know it doesn't look that high, but it is actually quite high. Okay, the rock's trying to get slippery. Ooh, there it is. Okay, so we have learned that we went the wrong way. This is not the way to go up, so we have to go down and come that way. That's the path we gotta go on, so wish us luck. Update. I think it's harder for me to go down, so I'm gonna keep going up. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. That was way easier than going back down. Okay, look at this. So the water has rushed down this way. Where's Jude? There he is. He's gonna go the right way. Because there's multiple right ways, but here we go. Okay. We did it. Okay, wow, look at that. Saying hello to you with my shadow. Windy. Wow, we did it. And the air's a lot colder up here. So now we're closer to the ice. So let's go see where Jude is. Yeah, I definitely took the wrong path. See, that is definitely the path. But there's no signs, there's no anything. We parked way over there, and we just drove from this side, from Jasper. So Jasper's over here, and if you keep going that way, it's going to be Banff, and then takes you back to Calgary. There he is! The babe! Yeah! I realized it was just easier if I kept going. I was just so high up. But yeah, that's pretty slidey too. Babe, we did it.
Yeah.
We did it. Woo. Now it's time to find boom. Like a glacier. Look, a little pool. Oh, so beautiful. (1992). This glacier was here. Oh my gosh, babe. These are markers of how far out the glacier was. See? Yeah, the glacier was here. And my birthday.
No, it's all the way there.
Way over there.
It's so sad.
Let's see if they did a new marker.
This is how global warming is.
Real.
We're walking on the glacier.
Oh yeah, let's go. We can read more about the history over there. ice over there. Yeah, lots to explore. Is it? No?
It's not bad.
Hmm.
You're recording sideways, off it and on it again.
Oh dear. Oh, look, some ice over there too. So it's running, melting the ice, and then we're gonna try to go over there now.
How are they doing that?
What? How do they do what?
Breaking all the raw ice.
Oh yeah, because it's actually, I read an article somewhere that rock stacking is actually like ruins the environment. I don't know how.
The environment?
Yeah. Oh, so beautiful.